Hey friends, Liz Pevytoe here. So I have now been with Ibuumerang for 7 months. I can't believe that much time has gone by. It's been crazy awesome. And I want to just kind of fill everybody in and give everybody an update and let you know what I really think about this company and what I think about this opportunity 7 months later. Okay, so let's start at the beginning on why I decided to partner with Ibuumerang. The truth is that I have been in network marketing for 5 years and I felt completely stuck in my previous company. I was doing everything that you're supposed to do. I was supporting my team. I was teaching the classes. I was doing in-person, one-on-one meetings. I was doing giveaways. I was doing promotions. I was showing up. I was doing videos, training the peoples. I was doing it all, and yet my business was at a total and complete standstill. It wasn't dying, but it wasn't growing at all for the last 2 years. So no matter how much effort I put in, every single month, what I saw happen was I would lose 70 to 80 people on my team, and I would gain 60 to 70 to 80 people and new people. So I was just constantly recycling people. Some people, a lot of people just start buying their products on Amazon. That's just what happens. Or things happen in their life and they can't afford the auto ship anymore. Whatever, I totally understand. I'm not mad at those people. It was just, it wasn't me. That's industry wide. That's just what happens. You lose people and you gain people. So it was like no matter what I did, I never was able to get that momentum back. And in my heart, because I'm an empath, which means I'm very sensitive to other people's feelings, it was hard for me to watch my business not grow. But what was even harder was watching my team members who were busting their booties, working hard. Sorry, my husband's trying to call. Working harder than me, and they made me lose my train of thought. They weren't even able to pay for their auto ships, let alone make money. So they were actually spending more than what they were earning. So even if they were paying for their auto ships, most of them were spending money trying to grow their business. So the business was actually costing people money. And it hurt me to watch that month after month after month with my team members. So I knew there had to be a better way, but I just didn't know what it was. I contemplated joining other product-based network marketing companies. People are all about the hype and this is the new biggest thing. And there's some virtue to that, guys. When something's brand new, it is kind of, even a product, when something's brand new, it is something to consider. But I just couldn't go there. So that's when one of the people I had been following on Facebook for a while, Mike Healy, when he started posting about Ibuumerang. This was in March. And I was like, what? He's not even in the industry anymore. He's just a trainer. And I was like, I guess I should probably listen to what he's saying. And then he triggered me. He triggered me with a word. He said Holton bugs. And I was like, wait a minute. I need to do a little bit of research. So started looking into the Ibuumerang thing. And Holton bugs is one of the top industry earners in the network marketing industry. So when he does something, when he makes a switch, you pay attention to what he's doing because he's always ahead of the curve. Okay, so he's our CEO of Ibuumerang. So the more I looked into it, I was like, wait a minute, I really need to pay attention to this, because here's the thing. He admits this. He's the first leader I've ever heard that admitted that the network marketing system is broken. That it's okay if you're failing like I was, because it's broken. Asking people to pay more money for a product, even if it's superior, it's not working in this Amazon age that we live in, because people will choose price over quality. And sometimes they'll just choose price because honestly, guys, sometimes you can find exceptionally amazing good quality products on Amazon. Just being honest, okay? Don't get your feelings hurt. Don't do it. Don't just hear me out. But he validated me by saying that the system was broken, okay? And also reminded me that the average network marketing customer is only a customer for 73 days. And I was like, oh, that's so exhausting having to replace people every 73 days. But anyway, I digress. So Holton changed the game, and I was like, I've got to get in on this game, because here it is. Here's Ibuumerang in a nutshell. We give people free travel savings websites. Right now, it's just for travel. We're about to add ride sharing and discounted mobile phone service. We're about to add that. But right now, we're just a travel savings website. So we give people, works like Groupon. I give you a website where you can go book your travel at a discount, okay? In the future, you'll be able to do ride sharing at a discount. You'll be able to do mobile phone service at a discount, and we'll be adding more services. So travel was just the very first thing. But that's it, guys. Customers, it's 100% free to be a customer. So I don't have to replace these customers when they quit, because they're not going to quit, because it's a free website. There's no auto ships. There's no nothing. So what this company has done, it's taken people like my old team members who were not able to build a business selling products at a higher price. It's given them the opportunity to build a business by giving away savings. Who can't give away a free savings site? So literally I cried when I learned this, because I thought, wow, I can build a business to a certain level because I can make videos and I know how to teach classes and I know how to do all the things. But I saw hundreds of my team members who weren't able to duplicate what I was duplicating or what I was doing. And I knew in that moment that this was anybody's game. And that was important to me as a leader, knowing that people can come in and not have any sales experience, not want to sell, but just give away savings to their friends and then earn a commission off of those savings. So that's the opportunity. That's why I joined. 7 months later, here I am, one of the top customer gatherers in the company. Guys, all I do is ask people, do you like to travel? Would you like to save on travel? And they say yes. I give them a free website. That's all I do. I don't have to do product education. I don't have to do classes. In fact, I've never done one in-person event. I do everything. I've done everything through social media. So I just message my friends, or I do a video like this one and people reach out to me. So it's been fun. I'm having a blast. I'm watching my team rock it out. One of my team members actually just passed me up on the amount of websites given away, which is awesome. And she doesn't do it on social media. She goes and does like farmers markets and events like that and gives the sites away there. So it's really fun. So you can build this business however you want to do it, just as long as you are talking to people and you're asking people, do you want to save money? That's it. That's all we do. So stop being scared about it. Let me throw this in there real quick. We are a new company. It just started in March. I joined in April. So the benefits of a ground floor opportunity is it's a ground floor opportunity. There's literally only 4 people between me and the very top of this company. In my previous company, there was probably 100 people between me and the top. Okay, but so you're getting in at the beginning, and if you know anything about network marketing, you know that is beneficial when you can get higher up on the compensation plan. Okay, so that's really cool. But I'm going to be brutally honest here. Guys, there are quirks when you are dealing with a ground floor startup. So we've had website issues. Like, we had a promo in June, and I never got my promo stuff. And it's, as of this recording right now, it's November. And so I had to email them, and I was like, okay, guys, you owe me 160, I think it was 68 booms from the promo, or 65 or something. I don't remember exactly. I did that last week. I was like, you never gave me the boomerangs. And guess what? They credited in my account the boomerang. So there's been some quirky stuff. They always do what they say they're going to do, but a lot of times, guys, I'm just going to be honest with you, there have been major delays on almost everything because they're starting from scratch with a brand new company. So if you're an impatient type, you might want to wait a little while to join. But if you're willing to, you know, be a problem solver, this is a really, really great opportunity to get into. And I'm 7 months in and I'm still loving what I'm doing. So anyway, just wanted to give you guys an update. I hope this was helpful, and message me or comment down below if you have any questions for me. All right, have a great week. Bye-bye.